independent events, PA, PB, define intersection. So I don't know if the formula booklet helps us with this. Oh, here we go, yep, independent events, so we would just multiply the two bullets to snip this whole thing. Okay, so we just multiply the two together, so that's 0.3 times 0.6 equals 0.18. Find the union. Okay, so we would use this formula up here. So it would be 0.3 plus 0.6 minus 0.18. So 0.9, take away 0.18 is 0.72. Obviously use your calculator if you want to just ensure you don't make a mistake. Shade the region of A intercepts B dash. So B dash would be all of this outside B, where A meets that would be this portion here. And we need to find that probability. So we've just established the union, so that's all of this. And so we just have to subtract B, so that'll be 0.7, take away 0.6. Oh, 72, sorry. Take away 0, which is 0.12. Here we go. Okay, triangle ABC. Let's sketch. So AB and AC. So we know AB and we know AC. We know the area. So let's try and find this angle here. So formula booklet. So we know that the area is a half AB sine C, so we know that 16 is equal to half times 6 times 8 sine theta. So sine theta is 32 over 6 8 48. And so theta is sine to the minus 1 of that. It doesn't say if it wants it in degrees or radians, so it doesn't really matter which one you use. I personally prefer degrees, so I'm going to change my mode to degrees. So 32 8. So that's 41.8. And remember, the other value when there's two possible is always going to be 180 minus that. Which is 138.2. Or 138 to 3 sig fig. Given that A is obtuse, find BC, so we know that it's actually the 132, so theta is 138. Find BC, so we know 6, 8 and 138, so we're going to use the cosine rule here. So we know that BC squared equals 6 squared, well that's 6, plus 8 squared minus 2 times 6 times 8 cos of 138. So 6 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 2 times 6 times 8 times cos 138. 170, what was it, 171? So that was 171.34. And then we have to square root. Okay, we need to square root that now, which is 13.1. Oh, such more equals. So the square root of 171, 13.1 centimeters. Okay, maximum, minimum. I wrote down the value. Okay, so the value of R indicates the sideways shift. So this is a cos curve. Normally our cos starts on the y-axis, the maximum point, and this one starts at the value of 4, so the value of R is -4. So R is -4. Okay, so as I say, that's because there's this shift. It's a positive value here. It says plus, so it would be -4. Find the value of P. So P indicates the magnitude. So remember, that's the difference, half of the difference of maximum to the minimum. So this value here is 18. This value is 2. So this is 16 divided by 2 is 8. So P has a value of 8. Q affects the period. So it's an application question, so it would be in radians. So currently our period, well, half of our graph happens between 4 and 16. So that's 12 units for half a period. So our period is 24. How am I using that? So our period is 24. So Q would be 2 pi over 24, which is pi over 12. Solve fx equals 7. So we're going to put all of those values in. So 8 cos pi over 12 x minus 4 plus 10 equals 7. So that's right. Yep. Okay, so 8 cos pi over 12 x minus 4 equals -3. Cos pi over 12 x minus 4 equals -3. 8. Okay, actually I might just plot this on the graph. So like that. So I'm going to do cos pi over 12 x minus 4, and then I'm going to do -3 over h trig. Oh, we're in degrees. We need to change to radians. Volts. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I need to go up to, say, 15. So we need to find this point here. So it's 11.47 to 11.5. There we go.